Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you about my practical book, CBME based practicals in Viva in Community Medicine. As you all know that since 2019 MBBS batch onwards, this competency based curriculum has been introduced. So keeping in mind that competency based curriculum, this book has been designed. So I'll be showing you, giving you a quick review about the contents of the book, how this has been framed in order to help MBBS students understand the subject in a better way. So, moving towards how this book has been planned, this book has been solely planned based upon competencies. As you can see in the content itself, that chapters have been framed based upon different competencies which are important to be covered for practical examination. Here you can see like CM 10.6, which is saying enumerate and describe various family planning methods, their advantages and shortcomings. Similarly, these are the different competencies which are compulsory for appearing in the practical examination, which you have to fill in your logbook as well. You have to acquire these competencies and get it signed from your faculty even in the logbook. So this is the first thing which I want to mention, that this entire book is based upon competency, right? So moving towards the chapters of this book, I'll show you a brief overview of the book. That it consists of colored photographs. As you can see, colored photographs have been added to the book in order to have the quick learning and grasp better. Also, at certain points, mnemonics have been mentioned along with the questions, which makes the learning easier. Similarly, in this book, some important things like newer contraceptives, newer topics, newer TB treatment, newer malaria treatment, all new highlights have been mentioned in this book. Now moving towards another chapter which I want to specifically focus on, that entomology have been clearly focused upon, and it has been made very easy for the students in this book with the colored images also and the mnemonics to remember, right? So this is entomology. As you can see over here, that each and every part identifying features of the vector has been clearly explained with the help of colored photographs. Here you can see how beautifully I've tried to explain parts identifying features of sandfly also. So entomology has been very much simplified. Moving towards other parts of the book which I want to show you, that insecticides, disinfectants, yes, one of the important topics of environment like waterworks, as you can see again with the help of beautiful models and wonderful description along with the models have been mentioned in this book. Here you can see, right? So this way I've tried making it very easy for students to grasp the subject and make it interesting rather for the students to grasp it. Similarly, I have also mentioned the on-spot important photographs as well. We take you to the waterworks and various other sites wherein we show you with different tests like orthotoledone test, other apparatuses like Horrocks apparatus, etc. They've also been shown with the help of colored photographs, other filters also, and explained side by side. So moving towards another section which includes, I already told you with the colored photographs only, disposal of waste and excreta with the help of models and description. This chapter has also been very much simplified for you all. As you can see, I've explained each and every photograph with the help of arrow marks, and details have been mentioned side by side. Hardly any book you will be finding wherein the description will be given in this way. So also I would like to mention that mother and child health, that is all these from theory point of view as well, this chapter is very important, and you can see it has also been explained with the help of colored photographs and very much simplified. You can see over here, this is the MCP card. Similarly, description of each and every part of the MCP card along with the counterfoil growth chart has been beautifully done in this book. Important drugs have been simplified in this book: iron, folic acid tablet, albendazole, calcium, all the equipments which are being used at Anganwadi and sub-center, they have been explained very well. All important vaccines from the immunization schedule itself, newer vaccines which have been introduced in the immunization schedule, they have been explained in vast. Also, I have mentioned newer vaccines. Also, those vaccines which are not mentioned in the immunization schedule, like typhoid vaccine, chickenpox vaccine, and other vaccines, which usually are not mentioned in other books. Also, Mosquirix, dengue vaccine, right? And Covishield Covaxin has also been mentioned in this book. Hospital waste management, how to actually you can actually make out with this that every component of the community medicine has been simplified from practical point of view, and with the help of pictures for grasp, and also the nutrition section which usually students find difficult, it has also been simplified with the colored photographs. All important things of the nutrition chapter have also been mentioned. Another key feature of this book is that I have tried mentioning all the new tuberculosis guidelines with the photographs in this book. As you can see, this is fixed dose combination which is now being used for treatment of TB. So I've tried simplifying TB to maximum possible level. Similarly, I have also added on chapters on various other diseases like malaria, leprosy, etc. also, and tried to simplify the treatment. As you can see over here, the treatment of malaria with the help of mnemonics have been simplified over here in this book. Similarly, if I talk about the treatment of leprosy, you can see over here the blister packings simplified and newer treatment also simplified. So now moving towards family study, which is also an important component of community medicine. I have specifically mentioned each and every component of family study as a different chapter and mentioned questions pertaining to that in this book. As you can see over here, socio-demographic profile, one full chapter on it with the questions which are asked about socio-demographic profile, including pedigree and everything have been mentioned over here. How to make family tree and everything. Moving towards another chapter on socioeconomic status with examples, I have mentioned how to calculate and how different scales can be used. Similarly, housing and environment, another chapter. So I have taken each and every section of family study as a different chapter and dealt questions related to that particular topic in detail. Similarly, I have also mentioned different cases. Dietary assessment is a separate chapter, and how to take a clinico-social case history whenever you are allotted an index case in a family, how to take that history, that also have been specified with focus upon which case has been given to you, like antenatal case, then how to take the history in that, and pertaining questions to that antenatal case, viva questions have been mentioned thereafter. All important questions that can be asked related to an ANC have been mentioned at the back. Similarly, you can see over here postnatal case and other cases have also been mentioned in this book along with the questions, right? So one important thing which I want to mention over here is that I have tried to compile all those things which we have to read from gynae, from pediatrics, in order to take the history. All those things, as you can see over here, how to take weight, how to take head circumference, chest circumference, height, and all that have been mentioned in this book beautifully. So I've tried my best that the students have no need to consult any other book while reading this book. Then another important thing which have been mentioned in this book is investigation of outbreak, the steps involved, and with the help of mnemonic and calculations, it has been explained well with the help of questions, numericals also, how to calculate attack rate, secondary attack rate, etc. Similarly, sampling part has been beautifully explained. Biostatistics is another edge of this book wherein all types of exercises related to biostatistics, starting from mean, median, mode, mean deviation, standard deviation, talking about chi-square, t-test, z-test, all sorts of examples, solved examples have been mentioned in this book. Also, how to draw a suitable diagram, which exercise is given usually in the practical examination, all those things have been added. Also, important indicators which are given to you for calculation. Exercises related to those indicators are also mentioned in this book. One example each for all types of indicators which are asked in examination. Similarly, I've also added calculation, how to do calculation of relative risk, attributable risk, and all those calculations related to case control and cohort studies. Epidemiology part also beautifully explained with the help of examples. And also, last but not the least, all the calculations related to vaccine demand, also the how to calculate bleaching powder in order to disinfect the well, and every sort of exercises which can be asked have been given with the help of suitable examples. So this gives you a brief overview of the book. All the competencies which are required for the practical examination point of view have been covered in this book. So those who are willing to buy this book, those who like this book, can contact the following contact numbers. You can also buy this book from the Flipkart. You can buy it directly from MKSCS publication by calling at this number 8299547952. For those who want to purchase it from Rohtak itself, they can call at these numbers 9068 777 or 7082859537. The book will be provided to you at your place, or else by contacting us you can know from where you can buy it. So that's all about the book. Kindly share your comments and reviews. Those who have purchased this book, please share your reviews below this video. I shall be very much thankful to you. Thank you.